welcome back to the channel. So today we are heading to the range. I am going to bring you along with me to see what we can find. I am looking for autumn decor. That's the reason why I've come today, and I honestly walked into the range and found so much Christmas stuff. Now, I absolutely love Christmas. Honestly, it's just the best time of the year. But I have to say, autumn is definitely my favourite season. I just love everything about autumn. And although I'm definitely an early bird when it comes to Christmas, I do kind of feel like we've skipped autumn a bit. The range had so much summer stuff. And now they've just gone completely to Christmas. So I do feel like we have just skipped a season completely. And I'm not quite ready for Christmas in September, maybe October, but not quite September. They did have a few Halloween bits, which you will see as we go through the store, but obviously they just had everything Christmas. They really did. I did have a little look. I had to have a little look. One, because I thought you guys might want to see if you are Christmas lovers, which I'm going to say I really am a Christmas lover. I just kind of feel like we skipped autumn, which is a little bit sad because I was really looking forward to some decor pieces. I wanted something for the dining room table mainly, just to bring a bit of autumn. I love the warmth of autumn and the cozy feel of autumn. But hey, here we are. I didn't actually end up buying anything today, so this is just going to be a come shop with me video, just show you what is new here in the range. Hopefully you like this video, hopefully you enjoy watching, and tell me in the comments below if you are ready for Christmas or not.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good. Something good.
That's it for today's video. There were quite a few items that I really liked in the Christmas range, and I could have quite easily brought several items, but I haven't because I'm trying to be good and I really wanted some autumn bits. So I'm going to see if I can find some autumn bits elsewhere rather than spending my budget on Christmas stuff. I definitely will be back for a few things. I really like those gingerbread houses that I had as well. But I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.